Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Getaways. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. In case you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Rupal and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, DIYs, product reviews, etc. So in case you're interested in these type of contents, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification button so that whenever I upload a new content, you get the notifications first. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about hair serums. My top 3 budget hair serums which I absolutely love, and also the correct way to use a hair serum. So let's start this video with a fact first. So in case you have not used a hair serum till date and you are planning to use one, thinking that after using a hair serum your hair will be transformed from here to here, then you are highly mistaken. A hair serum will not ever change the texture of your hair. Like, your hair will never go from wavy or curly to straight. Instead, a hair serum's work is to tame your frizz, detangle your hair, protect your hair from humidity, heat, pollution, and also make your hair soft, smooth and silky. So in case you're expecting a lot of change in the texture of your hair, sorry, that is not going to happen. Now coming back to my top 3 most favorite budget-friendly hair serums, I will start with Matrix Biolage Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothing Hair Serum. This is a 6-in-1 hair serum as it performs 6 jobs. So this will control frizz, deeply smoothen rough ends, protect hair from humidity, add instant shine, nourish your hair and instantly detangle your hair. So you are getting all the 6 benefits in one product. The price of this product is Rs 300 for 100 ml. I have seen many beauty parlors using this hair serum on their clients. So this product is also used professionally and I have been using this product since long time. Like, this is my 2nd bottle. So this product instantly detangles your hair as soon as you apply it, which is a brilliant thing, and plus it makes your hair really smooth and soft and also frizz free. I have a hell lot of frizz in my hair and I can tell you that I am totally satisfied after using this product. Now the second hair serum which I completely love is Streax Professional Vitariche Gloss Hair Serum. This is a tiny bottle of hair serum. The price of this product is only Rs 100 and you are getting 45 ml of product. This is one of the most effective and budget friendly, like the cheapest hair serum I have ever used. And this product I love so much because this is so travel friendly. You can see the size of this bottle. It's very tiny and you can carry it anywhere you like. Now there are 2 extra benefits that you're going to get from this product, apart from detangling your hair and taming your frizz. And also making your hair soft and smooth. This product will also give you UV protection. Plus you can also use this product as a heat protection serum before using any heating tool. Now the heat that emits from a hairstyling tool is immense and it is not the work of every serum to give you that much heat protection. You have to purchase a heat protection spray apart from a serum if you are regularly using those products. But this product claims to protect your hair from that heat as well, and at this price if you're getting so many benefits, I think that is a fantastic thing and I totally recommend this product to you. Now coming to the third serum which I absolutely love is L'Oreal Paris Smooth Intense Instant Smoothing Serum. L'Oreal Paris has a huge range of hair serums, but most of them are quite costly. But this hair serum at this price does a fabulous job. The texture of this product is very, very light, so this will never weigh your hair down. Plus this contains argan oil which is very effective for dry and damaged hair. And in case you are suffering from extremely frizzy hair, I think this product can be your life savior. Now guys, in the next clip, I'm going to show you how you're supposed to use a hair serum on your hair correctly. Okay, so I've just come out of the shower and I have towel dried my hair. So now is the time that I'm going to apply the hair serum on my hair. So see how I do it. Going to take a coin-sized product on my palm, rub it properly, and apply it only on the strands of my hair. You're not going to take a lot of serum because that can make your hair look really flat. So you don't really want that. You want your hair to be bouncy but silky and smooth and frizz-free at the same time. So this is how you're going to do it. Very little, and you are going to use it only on your hair strands and not on your roots. And then to spread it properly, you are going to take a comb and comb your hair very gently, and instantly you will see all the tangles have just vanished from your hair. And just keep your hair like this and let it dry naturally. So guys, that was it for today. I really hope that you've liked today's content and this video was really helpful to you. I'll meet you again in my next video very soon. Till then, you take good care of yourself. Bye.